Hello everybody, I am Veer from the World Youth Media. Social media influencers turn COVID information saviors. Twitter, Instagram and Facebook are full of posts of people asking for help because of COVID-19 as cases continue to rise. But it has also brought out the best in people as many others have started to post links and leads to help people find medicines, food and information in these difficult times. Here now we shall list some websites where you can get help as the health sector in our country is strained. covidwin.in, covidhelp.glideapp.io, readytofightcovid.in. A resourceful tool for COVID hit. Mehdipatnam, extending a helping hand in the fight against COVID-19, a group of youngsters developed an app, the Hyderabad COVID Resources. This app helps provide access to resources like plasma, blood bank, meal providers, amongst other services. It is a progressive web app which means that it works on both Android and iPhone or even the web browser and gets updated every 30 minutes. Speaking to the Hans India, its co-founder 25-year-old Vensi Krishna said, "When my mother tested COVID positive in the first week of April, we faced many hardships like finding hospital beds. So I decided to help people get resources like oxygen, plasma and medicines with the help of little technical stuff with my friends Medha Kadri, a social work consultant and Abhishek. We developed the app." Pubaran Basu, who won the Youth Photographer of the Year 2021 at the Sony World Photography Awards. The 20-year-old photographer from Kolkata won the award for his photograph No Escape from Reality. In the past 2 years, not a day has passed in Pubaran Basu's life without him working on his photography skills. I would either click or process pictures. It not only kept me engaged during the pandemic but also kept me sane. The 20-year-old photographer from Kolkata recently won the Youth Photographer of the Year 2021 at the Sony World Photography Awards. There were 330,000 entries from around 220 countries. "I am the first Indian to win this title. I am humbled by the recognition," he says, The Hindu. Telangana state heaves a sigh of relief. The state will get temporary relief from the oxygen shortage it has been facing for the past few days as 9 oxygen tankers which were airlifted to Odisha 2 days back have reached Hyderabad on Monday. This will help the state in providing 150 metric tons of oxygen. Things have started to move and hopefully the state does not have to experience any more oxygen shortage as we go on. India COVID vaccine all above 18 years. Registration to open from 28th April. The importance of vaccination cannot be overstated and amid an unprecedented surge in coronavirus cases in the country, the government has decided to allow everyone above 18 years of age to get vaccinated from May 1st. Registration for vaccination for all those aged 18 to 44 years will begin on the COVID platform and the Arogya Setu app from 20th April. The inoculation process and documents to be provided to get the jab to remain the same. Paytm launches Wealth Community for young investors. Paytm Wealth Community is an investing community based on video and will enable users to attend live sessions conducted by subject matter experts across an array of wealth topics like stocks, IPO, ETFs, mutual funds, gold, fixed income and personal finance. Users will be able to learn from experts, interact with them to clarify doubts and also chat with other users on the platform to discuss various wealth-related topics. The community is meant to tap young users and has been designed for the needs of the new Indian investor. India was there for us. We will be there with them. United States President Joe Biden on India's COVID-19 crisis. After a conversation with PM Modi, President Joe Biden said India helped the people of America in their hour of need and the US will provide full support to India's fight against COVID-19. Germany to send oxygen medical aid to India amid COVID-19 crisis. Foreign Minister Heiko Maas said Germany will do its utmost to help India overcome the COVID-19 crisis and added that oxygen and medical aid will be sent to India in the coming days. Cricket. The 21st game of the Indian Premier League was between the Kolkata Knight Riders and the Punjab Kings. KKR captain Ian Morgan was very happy after finally winning after ending a 4-match losing streak. Morgan stepped up with his bat, hitting 47 runs, leading the team to a victory, giving a lot of credit to the bowlers as they kept the batsmen of Punjab tight and got a low target of just 124. Captain KL Rahul said, "It is tough night. It's never nice to be on a losing side." Moving on to football, the Champions League semi-finals between Real Madrid and Chelsea will be played on the 28th of April, 12:30 p.m. IST. Chelsea's former Real Madrid midfielder Mateo Kovacic is the only absentee with a muscle injury. As a Tuesday thought, for this, I think Real Madrid will win the first leg 2-1. Apple AirTag. Apple in April 2021 unveiled its long-awaited AirTag after years of rumors and speculation. The small circular tag is designed to be attached to items like keys and wallets to allow these accessories to be tracked using Bluetooth right alongside Apple devices in My Find app. The autopilot features in Tesla's vehicles can be tricked by operating the car without a driver. They tested the Model Y on a closed track and concluded the system could be easily tricked. It comes days after a fatal Tesla crash in Texas. Police believe no one was in the driver's seat. Tesla's autopilot is an advanced driver assistance system that Tesla says enhances safety and convenience behind the wheel.